All right, here it is. This is the burner. This is how it runs at 30 psi with the choke closed. Here's the choke. It doesn't close very well because there's a little gap. But you can see when I open it, let some more air into that mix. To get a lot more of a torch. Laser flame. Close it all the way and then try to block it. That's just fuel, I think. Let it get a little air and get that blue flame that we're looking for.